Let's go. Welcome to the main event. Applying pressure, but I promise I ain't make it then. In their heads, living free, I ain't paying rent. Wake up in the AM, making G's like Mercedes Benz. Whoa, yeah, please don't take offense.
Drive me crazy, number one, you can't replace me. Lead a Claudius, you tryna chase me. You got a tag, so bad, let's make a baby. And another way, I'm smoking my Mercedes. Hold up, these niggas broke, these niggas lazy. Man.
That's the wrong one. Welcome to today's non-conference game between the visiting Jaguars of Flint and your hometown Millington Cardinals. It's game time for both teams to give their best effort on the field and for everyone, players, coaches, and fans, to show their best sportsmanship. Remember, nothing beats good sportsmanship. Distinguished guests, the privilege of this game was made possible by those who have fought and continue to fight for the freedoms we enjoy. Let us now honor and respect their efforts in our country. Civilian gentlemen, please remove your hats. Active and retired military, we encourage you to render the appropriate salute, and everyone able, please stand at attention. Place your hand over your heart as members of the Millington Ardila Fire Department and American Legion Post 164 raise the American flag, and the Cardinal Marching Band, under the direction of Mr. Andrew Watajak, performs our national anthem.
Bryce is taking us back.
Go Dallas! Let's go Dallas!
Here we go! Here we go!
And he's in.
Extra point, man.
Get him.
Oh! Let's go, Flutie! Let's go!
He's fine.
That play Flutie just had,
Yeah.
that was supposed to be optional.
It's coming
Maybe the quarterback turned the wrong way. Yeah, that's why. Go truck! Go truck! Go out! Get out, truck! Nice job, baby.
Hey, yo.
Just because you be on the same, you like men. Cody! Let's go!
Get upfield. Nice, Dallas. Nice, Dallas.
Dallas Wolves, the ball carrier.
Let's go!
you got Connor.
Oh, get it! Go get it! Watch the ball, watch the ball! Keeper! On! Hey!
If you go,
Extra point come by Lane Jones is good.
That was something. I didn't good on defense that game, but like, I just money. Good job, good job. Quarterback! Come on, Flew, you're the son, right here. Here it comes. Here it goes. Yep, there it is. Here it is. Oh, the ball! Get the ball! Get the ball! Hey, Henry, touch! I said, he don't catch it and move at all. He catches it and just comes right in.
yo, oh, you're pulling my jersey.
Dang, their whole protection wall got lit up. I told you we were getting one.
Extra point attempt by Lane.
Safety.
Yeah, essentially the safety for the Cardinals. Dallas Walsh into the end zone for the Millington. The extra point attempt is good.
Oh, yeah. I actually have no
I'm going zone read. No, oh, no. Hey, split screen. Go, truck.
Bing!
Get one, truck.
Get him back! Yeah. No way. Red dude. Dude, that kid's caught one.
They're holding. Right.
Boston! Fuck, go! Stay with it, stay!
Go, Witt.
Come on, Bruce.
Rib. Ooh.
How many times do I like drive people back? Like kind of rarely. After I drive back, I say, good job, kid.
Next point by Lane Jones is good.
Watch this. Oh my god, the kid's leaving the wrong side. Oh my god, this is a tough. Watch this. No, it is.
And you play quarterback, right?
Landed.
We didn't do that. We did the Lakers.
Okay, Q. All right, Millington. Hit 3.
Hit him, baby. Come on. Get him, Joe. Let's go. Let's go, Joe. Let's go, Joe. Come on, Joe. Come on, Joe. Come on, baby. Let me hear it bark.
Get that, Joe! Get the ball, Joe!
Oh my god.
Big boys here.
Oh, Joe just got walking.
Go get your get well soon card and some flowers. Go do it. Actually, she does like bigger boys. Another safety. Oh shit!
All right.
It's so bad. Jake is going in it. Yeah, I know. I've never seen someone run so far back. Maybe he'll turn the legs down. He said a little too shy. Watch out.
Oh, yeah, kill!
Go, Joe.
Get on the ball, Joe.
Dang.
Smack. Oh, Bryce, you should have run.
They're gonna throw it. They're throwing it. No, dang it, they didn't.
Let's go, Chase. There it is, Chase.
So he thinks that's a good play. He thinks that's a good play.
Minutes and 30 seconds left to play.
I said.
Lane Jones, extra point attempt is good.
Do I really eat it?
Back up. Get it back. Get it going, boys. Get it going, boys. Get it going, boys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It starts Sunday night, man. Come with a great attitude. Sunday night, man. Come with a great attitude. We have big games. Every game now, man. It's winter done. Next Friday night will be a completely, totally different atmosphere. First one's got about 45 kids on the team. There's been a huge crowd here. They will be playing for the playoffs. They're like 50-something to nothing right now, or 55 to 60.
75.
What's that?
75.
75 points they put out on the team tonight. So that tells you their mentality. They're beating Lakeville. Who the hell does that to our team? We could have scored 100 on them. That's bullshit. You don't do that to other teams. You don't. You don't do that. That's bullshit. So, I'm going to tell you right now, you boys better be ready this week. I got on you that first half, guys, that first series. Because you got to be just going. You can't let up. You can't let up. You guys are good. You have what it takes. And we got to push you as coaches to get you there, man. When you're uncomfortable and we're pushing you, it's because you need to get pushed past comfort zone. You become a better person or a better player when you're out of your comfort zone. When you got somebody on you, pushing you, to make you better. It's easy just to sit back and just go, okay, my comfort zone, I'm good at this. I don't dare step out of it. You got to do that, though. You got to do that, man. We're this close. We're this close, guys. Let's have a great week. Let's have a great week of practice. Next week's going to be a playoff atmosphere. And then it's just going to be every week's do or die. Every week will be do or die. Everybody buy in. Everybody got a ton of playing time tonight. Everybody should have juiced up batteries. We've had easy practices for the last couple weeks, man. Be ready to go. Be ready to go. 6 o'clock Sunday night. 6 o'clock Sunday night. All right? Enjoy the weekend. Enjoy the season. We got to get a picture, too. Don't go anywhere. We're going to get the conference championship picture. I'm going to grab the trophy. Quit talking. I'm going to have you grab that trophy for us.
So for Birch Run, guys, I've worked way ahead. There's a ton of film. Right after this game, I'm going to share it. I'm going to share 5 films already. When you watch it, a couple things to pay attention for. When 15 is at quarterback, the Beaver kid, it's a pass. When 7's at quarterback or 34, it's their wildcat run. So watch a few of those things. If you play line, it's a lot of buck sweep. Watch the guards pulling. Linebackers, pay attention to the backs. There's a lot of pre-snap motion. They'll go gun split, spread a back out, and then run screens with the other one the other way. You can't lose the backs. The backs are very big. When they run H, they'll go spread with an H, and the H will run a middle screen. So if they run a ton of screens. If you're guarding the H, check for screen all the time. I don't think they're huge up.
This is how the story goes. Oh.